Welcome to my guys! So how are you today? Hope to you enjoy your buhay-buhay in your lives. So today I'm gonna cook the sardines with odong. These are mega sardines and also the odong-odong. And I already chopped the sibuyas and the bawang. So already the fan is already heated. So we need to put SM bonus. Because the fan is already heated, the mantika, so I'm gonna put the garlic and the kawali. So we're gonna mince it to find something like brownish. So next we're gonna have to put the onion. Okay. Then next we're gonna put the mega sardine. I have a question, guys. Anong isda yung tinatawag na tanga? Malamang dilata.
Susunod na itong sarding na to
Inside the pan.
What? Walang water?
Just choop. Yan. Some mega sardines. Gonna put the water. Yan. Salt.
Hi, baby. Love. Mama tutok.
Giling-giling. Pabili ng giniling. Giling-giling. Yan.
Masampalito na natin dalawa.
So ayan na siya, everybody. Already cooked.